Farewell to old Ireland, the land of my fathers. It's now I am going forever to leave. Farewell to the land where the shamrock adorns, the birthplace of freedom and home of the brave. When I think of those valleys with fond admiration, I thought near again its green hills I might see. But my thoughts they shall wander to the thoughts of old Ireland, when we reach the green fields of America. It's hard to be forced from the land that we live in. Our houses and farms obliged for to sell, and to wander alone amongst Indians and strangers, to find some safe place for our children to dwell. Our farmers, our artists, and tradesmen are going to seek for employment far over the sea, where we will get riches with peace and industry. There's nothing but hardship at home if you stay. There is one bonny lassie I now will bring with me, her dwelling place in the county Tyrone. It'd break my heart for to leave her behind me. So we'll roam together this wide world all o'er. So here's to my Bessie, my warm blue-eyed lassie. Bid farewell to your parents and then come with me. I'll do my endeavour, my love, to maintain you, when we reach the green fields of America. There is wine in Toronto at a shilling a bottle. There is gin in New Brunswick at a penny a glass. There is ale in that famed town they call fair Montreal, boys. The devil be with us if we don't take a glass. Come fill up your glasses, you lads and gay lasses. There is gold for the winning and lots of it too. Success to the heart that has courage to wander. Misfortune to him or to her that should rue. Our ship she is lying in Fairy Harbour, just waiting to take us safe over the main. So heaven be our pilot and bring us strong breezes till we reach the green fields of America. Come to the land where we will be happy. Don't be afraid of the storm or the sea, for when we get over, we will surely discover that this is a land of sweet liberty.